Your WordPress media library stores all uploaded files like images, videos, and documents. Bulk exporting is crucial for backups, site migrations, or archiving. As of 2025, WordPress offers improved built-in tools and plugins for this purpose. The core concept involves capturing both media files and their metadata. Media is stored in the WP content/uploads folder, organized by year and month. Database entries are in the WP posts table, where post type is attachment. To maintain usability, exports should include both files and metadata, like alt text and captions. WordPress version 6.7 Plus offers a native bulk media export feature under Tools Export. Navigate to Tools Export in your WordPress dashboard. Select the Media Library option. Filter by date range, author, or category if needed. Download the export file, usually a zip archive. Popular plugins like WP All Export and Export All-in-One WP provide advanced features like real-time progress tracking and blockchain-based verification. The WordPress REST API now supports programmatic exports via scripts or WP CLI. Always back up your database before exporting. Use secure connections like HTTPS to prevent data interception. For large libraries, chunked exports are essential to avoid server timeouts. Be aware of file size limits, often 2 GB for free tools. Consider cloud integration with services like AWS S3 or Google Cloud Storage for direct uploads, bypassing local storage limits.